Hello everyone and welcome back to MotoPup. My name is Joe. Today we're going to be installing a windscreen on a Kawasaki Z650. This is my Z650 here. It's a naked bike, great bike. I do notice on the highways I get a lot of wind buffering around the chest area. It gets really tiring really quickly, so we're going to be installing the PUIG touring windscreen today. So this is the windscreen. I got this windscreen on Revzilla. This is the light smoke color. In case you're wondering, it's going to sit at the end just over the original windscreen. This should offer me a lot more wind protection, should at least buffer the wind up to my helmet, hopefully. Then you could tuck in and it goes right over your head. So that's what we're hoping for with this. I'm gonna leave the item number and the manufacturer number in the description down below so you guys know the exact item I'm working with. But without further ado, let's get started. Okay guys, so we're gonna get started. The first step, according to the instructions, which are incredibly limited, is to disassemble. So I have to just take these bolts off of the original windscreen, but I'm gonna leave the windscreen on. This is supposed to be kept under the new windscreen we're gonna put on. And just to clarify, this is for the touring. So PUIG makes two types of windscreens, a sport and a touring. They're universal. So this is the touring one, it's larger, and it's specifically for the Z650, so you select it for the exact vehicle you're doing. But hopefully the instructions are similar. Okay, so first step complete. We've disassembled the original windscreen. You can see it comes right on and off. You're going to be putting the new one over this one, so you're going to lay it back on there and try to line it up. So the next step is to start the assembly process. So I'll show you guys that. Okay, so in part 2 of the assembly process, you get a washer, you get 4 washers, and you get 4 of these screws. So we're just tightening them, putting them on to the original windscreen that the bike came with, and we're just hand tightening them. Okay guys, so now the hex screws that come with the kit are secured just finger tight to the original screen. So next we put on the brackets. So if you're facing the bike this way, right bracket goes on the left side, left bracket goes on the right side. And we're gonna, again, finger tight, put them on the brackets. Okay, so now we've screwed on these 2 brackets. Right now they're just, again, finger tight. I haven't actually screwed them in yet because we're going to see what the next step is. Then they have these little kind of rubber covered screws. They go in the very top. And you just press them in. And there you go.
They go on the bottom too.
And now that the screws are in there securely to the actual mounts, it's time to lay the windscreen on the top, and then we're going to screw the windscreen in. So you're just going to want to line it up first with the mounts. There you have it, the PUIG windscreen. This is the touring version, is installed on my Kawasaki Z650 and those easy steps. The directions were not great, but it's pretty self-explanatory for the most part. I am not a savvy person at all with tools or anything like that, and I was able to do it. So I know that you can too. And there you go. I'm gonna make another video coming up really soon as a review of how the windscreen actually functions. So keep an eye out for that, okay? So tune in next time. Thank you for watching MotoPup.